Today, I'll be showing you how to actually configure your private own device to Microsoft Intune to be managed by Microsoft Intune. So let's say you have your own device and you want your IT department or your company to actually deploy software to your private own device, or you as an IT you want to manage a private device of a user. So how do you actually configure that device to actually be managed by Microsoft Intune? So here I'm going to be using my Microsoft Manager Admin Center to manage my devices and apps. But you can as well do the same from your portal.azure. Here you just search for Intune. You search for Intune and you click Intune. So here you can as well do the same. So here I have some devices which have already be configured, and you can see this device managed through Intune. So I'm going to actually install the fifth device which will manage through Intune. So let's go to a Windows 10 computer. So here I have a Windows 10 computer. So there are two different options which you can actually configure this device to be managed by Intune. But I'm going to go to the actually the best practical way which Microsoft actually encourage you to do if you want your device to be managed fully from Intune. So let me go to the Microsoft Store here. So yeah, I'm going to search for an app called Company Portal. Here's the Company Portal. So let me just get this app and install it on this device. So let me just get this app. It's actually a free app, so you don't need to pay anything for it. So I'm not going to sign in. Just click no thanks. So the app will still actually be downloaded. So so right now the app is being downloaded. So after the product has been downloaded and the product has been installed, you can as well just click on launch this app for the app to be launched. Here you see the company portal is being opened. So you are required to actually sign in with your company, with your email address assigned to you by your company. So mind you, without you having the enterprise, the EMS license, you will not be able to register this device to Intune. So I'm going to enter a user's name, Justina Johnson at Privé Still Less A. Click enter. And let me just enter the password of the user. Sign in. Here it says stay signed into all your apps. Allow my organization to manage my device. Just click OK. So say hold on while we register this device with your company and apply policies. So this may take a moment. So it may just take some few minutes. It's not going to take actually long for this device to be registered in Intune. And it says yes, your organization needs more information to keep your account secure. So click next. Here you can see I've already actually configured the Intune to actually authenticate with additional security verification to make sure that the user is the owner of this device. So what we are going to do, we're going to select the region where this user lives. So this user lives in Belgium. So right now we're going to use the authentication phone. You can as well use the mobile app. So I'm going to input the telephone number of the user and click next to receive a verification code. So let me just pause this video and enter the user's mobile phone. Well, you can see if when you enter your telephone number, a message will be sent to your mobile device. So make sure you enter your real telephone. If not, you will not be able to actually authenticate. So after you enter the number that was sent to you through Microsoft, just click verify. So the verification is being taken place to make sure that it's actually and here you can see it's very successful. So the number that was sent to my phone actually is correct with the one I entered on this additional security verification. So click done. And here it says, well, your organization requires you to set up your work or school account with Windows, Hello Face, fingerprint, or PIN. Click OK. So let me just enter a PIN for this. So I'm just going to clear. I'm not going to include letters or symbols. But mind you, these are actually what you can actually disable in your Intune environment. So I just configure this for actually extra security. Because right now the world as an IT administrator, you need to make sure that every device that's connected to your environment are well secured and properly configured. So click OK and click Next. So now enter the password of your computer and click OK. And here you go. Let me just close this, and you can see it's loading actually the information of your company. Here you can see the device which is the C002 as a device name, and the KJO, which is of course belongs to the company. So if I go to let me just go to home, let me go to apps. Here you can see right now we don't have any apps. If I go to apps category, that's where we don't have any apps installed on this device. So if I go to device, you can see that's the device information. But if I go to my profile, let me just go to my profile. Here you can see the users that actually use this name to sign in to this um, portal, which is Tina Johnson. So if I go to settings here, we can as well manually sync your device to our Intune portal. So now let me go to Microsoft Intune and show you that this device has actually been registered in all the devices in your Microsoft Intune environment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just do some refresh here, and here you can see the device, which is the C002, which I just registered. It says the Windows, and that is the OS version, and it was enrolled by Tina Johnson, and it was enrolled just now, and you can see the compliance. The computer is actually compliant, and it's a personal owned device. So if I go back again to the device here, let me just go to the device and go to home, and you can see that it's C002. So that's how you actually join your private own or your personal own device to be managed to Microsoft Intune, to be managed by Intune, or to be managed by your IT administrator. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson. And please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to give me a like or leave a comment. Or if you have any question, you can as well leave a comment and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more related IT video. Thank you very much and goodbye.